big part of me wants this business relationship to work out. So I'm going to meet Donovan. We are right in the heart of the city of Chicago at Delaware, on the Gold Coast, right next to the Magnificent Mile. You've got shopping and restaurants, you've got the lake. It is such a beautiful place to live. You're looking at about 450 to 475 a square foot. That's not cheap. I grew up right next door in the John Hancock on the 45th floor. I just feel like it's serendipitous. Delaware is definitely a dated building, but it's a 2-level condo. It's 3,300 square feet. You have 4 bedroom and 2 levels. You also have 3 full bathrooms.
The owners have been living here for over 30 years.
Wow, it's overload right when you get in.
The actual square footage of the unit is great, which is pretty crazy when dealing with downtown condos.
Faux painting was huge in the 80s. So was big hair and big, just everything, go big. And faux painting just came in and took over this whole place. Look at this detail.
Oh my God, look, it goes all the way up.
Oh. Oh my God, Brett, this makes me angry. I want to charge it like a bull.
Hey, get out of there.
I know I say go bold in a powder room, but not like that. This is like a video game. Plenty of room, plenty of natural light. This is absolutely another bedroom. I mean, you've got an ensuite. This could be real fast. Oh, this is where the TV went. They don't build them like they used to. What is going on in here? Each pillar is its own piece of art. Murals, and it's bananas. Look at this stairs. I am absolutely keeping that curve.
Yeah.
This is really organic, and I love it.
These were 2 units at one point.
Yeah.
So that staircase connects them. There's probably quite a bit of structural things that were done to make that staircase happen.
Design-wise, this is a sick shell. I mean, there are things that, come back. It's like bell bottoms or crimped hair. Coming back. It's coming back.
Okay.
I've crimped my hair.
How did that work out?
It looks great. I look electrocuted, but it looks good. That kitchen will never come back. This is crazy. Look at this view. The water is seriously behind that building and walkable. And you got Michigan Avenue right there. I mean, I would love a place like that. Ooh, look at the little loft. A big bedroom.
Yeah.
And look, you've got a double deck.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh my God. The bathroom's so weird. It's like a box of crayons just exploded. I would say in the 80s, those weren't bold choices. I would say those were expensive choices. Was this the master, you think? This is gigantic.
It's huge. Huge closet.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is what you dream of. You are not kidding around here. What? What is this layout? When I walked into the master bathroom, they've taken it too far. Nothing in there staying. Oh my God, look at this tiny little shower. Oh, it's huge. I hated it so much, I loved it.
I think we can buy it for $775,000.
How much do you think to renovate it?
I would say $485,000.
Could we get 1.7 for this place?
1.7 is a good price to shoot for.
So you're saying if we sell for 1.7 that we will make over 400,000 on this? That would be unreal.
It was quite the path just to get this thing closed. Financing was a little bit more difficult in this type of high-rise building. Then we went through quite the process of getting construction approved, but now we are good to go.
When it's demo, it's like, now I know it's go time. Big day.
All right through.
We're opening the spaces up. The big pillar in the middle of the room, we do need to add some electrical in there. The master bedroom, we're demoing the workout room and closet and making the master bigger.
This is a 2x2 metal stud wall. Got to relocate a little electric, make sure that it's not important for the entire building, obviously. When working in a high-rise building, there's a lot of limit to what you can and can't do. If you screw something up in your unit, you could be affecting hundreds of people.
That extra room at the top of the stairs is getting demoed and making that another bedroom. And then the very 80s curved entertainment wall. It's gotta go.
Take that.
Anything that we can save, anything that we can repurpose, Ari wants to salvage. He's like a really classy scrapper. I knew Ari would gravitate towards some of this funky art. He's an artist as well as an artisan. So I think for him to come and see this stuff with me, that's a fun collaboration. That center kitchen is getting demoed, so we can put it on the wall facing the windows. It took 2 solid weeks to completely demo both floors and move all the debris using just one elevator.
We're gonna take the option of not doing anything structural and keeping all of our plumbing lokes in the same location. A nice variation from our other projects where 30% of it is structural.
Framing is just beginning. Just getting materials ordered and picking finishes. Not too many changes to the layout on the main floor. We'll take the powder room out of the 80s and give it an updated look with a gorgeous metallic wall tile. Can, big storage, even bigger because it comes out this way. We'll beef up the storage space with a huge closet in the foyer, along with a dry bar and custom glass shelving for even more storage. What you do from there is you lead into the new den, like a library and kind of hang out. Oh, what did they do here?
That is a junction box actually done before they finish.
In the concrete?
In the concrete, yes.
Well, then we got lucky. So we'll do a really cool flush mount in here that branches off. As far as this staircase, all this is just gonna get covered with a really clean coat.
Okay.
So it's flush and flush and flush. And then we've got our beautiful chandelier in this dining room, the column. Let's put sconces on every side of the column. This will be great because this is gonna give us tons of light. Open to both the dining area and kitchen. The family room will take in all the light from those floor-to-ceiling windows while featuring a cozy electric fireplace and gorgeous ceiling-mounted lighting. The bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with a full shower lined with black metallic tile. You'll at least have some cans here in the kitchen. Exactly. Which is great. The kitchen has a huge island, walnut cabinets, hidden components, and a wine station that you can show off or hide with custom walnut panels. Upstairs, we'll add a 4th bedroom and give the master a spacious luxury walk-in closet, along with a master bath with a steam shower, makeup station, all enhanced with lilac marble tile and countertops. Plumbing and electrical have been roughed in and drywall's going up. And then you have this sexy, sleek staircase. And it's very organic. Ooh, I love that smell.
Looks nice in here. You got a lot done.
Big day today at Delaware. I couldn't start flooring or tile until I did my initial walkthrough. So I figured I might as well kill 2 birds with 1 stone, have Ari come and walk all the tile with Herman. Look at this.
That's pretty.
This is, I would say, hands down the prettiest floor I've done. It's wide plank, so it's gonna make it feel way bigger in here. That wood floor is beautiful. It's so classy. And I love how warm the colors are without being too dark. We need to get the floor down before the cabinets go in, and I need the floor down before he starts his work. Okay. All right, cool.
Is this part of the kitchen here?
This is, so this is all gonna be a cool wine bar.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Right. Here, now look, if I'm having you do a built-in, which was my original thought, I don't wanna eat too much into this space.
We could do bookcase 12 inches.
Yeah. We can illuminate the boxes inside where the built-ins are.
Yeah.
So built-in number 1, and then over here, this is the big guy. It's super quirky.
Oh, that's cool.
Is that neat?
That's awesome.
It's
Look at that
so
glass.
weird.
Look how old that glass is.
Because I feel like I'm gonna paint it black.
Yeah.
That goes here. So I want this piece now to become this dry bar.
Okay, that's super cool.
Yeah.
I like that idea. Whiskey bar.
I love it. Here's where I want it.
All right. Can I make this look like the whole wall unit? And I can put some open shelves in here? This has my name on it.
Okay.
A signature piece.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay. In spite of all the issues that I had during the build, I kept it going by myself, and now I'm gonna get it on the market. I bought Delaware for $775. The construction costs are at $752,000 because Donovan wildly under budgeted it. And he didn't include massive things like assessment fees, property taxes. In the face of all of this unknown, it is somewhat relieving to know that I'm done with him. It's currently listed at $1.6 million. Delaware is such a beautiful, modern-looking condo, but it has all of the feels of a single-family home. So I'm just excited to show this beauty to everybody. You come into this huge open area. The kitchen and the great room and the dining room. There are unexpected moments that I think are gonna make a huge difference. The wine bar is one of them, and kind of like Whoa, this is cool.
I love the beverage
Oh
center.
my
right
gosh.
up
How cool is this?
Sign me up.
Yeah, your kitchen's the most important. The panels hide everything out. The island. This is a huge selling point.
It's huge. It's gonna be the focal point when we have people over.
Yeah, of course, I had to bring in a little bit of gold. Everything in here is very reflective. You want to open the space up. The great room for me is great for so many reasons. I really wanted a fireplace. I thought that was going to be a huge plus point when it comes to getting the price point that I want.
My number one thing about a house is a fireplace.
Oh.
I love fireplaces.
Well, then there we go. So now coming into the secondary master, which is one of the 4 bedrooms. Such a big space.
A lot of space.
And then right into this guest bathroom.
Oh, wow.
More of a European type shower. Porcelain tile, a little bit of a metallic fleck to it. It's very simple, very clean. Another thing, lighting is key, and we have mastered it in this space. Leading into the dining room, you have so much space. You do really feel like you're dining in the clouds.
I love that light fixture.
It's cool. And then there's this bonus room. More of an adult room, a space for somebody to make this into their library or a place for accessories and then added storage below. Let me show you this.
Wow.
A dry bar.
Now, this was a surprise.
And this is one of those conversation pieces that I love so much. I'm really proud of this piece. One of the showstoppers in this condo is the staircase. It almost acts like an art piece from every different angle in this condo. Coming upstairs, you have this big hallway that leads to bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and then they share this bathroom. Coming into the master bedroom. This is gigantic.
This is like suburban living in the city.
That's what I mean.
So big.
So now what's on the other
I
side?
can't wait for this.
Hands down, the sickest closet I've ever done.